Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents. Take this remedy if you have sciatica or back pain, and you will never suffer again. Sciatica is another term used for sciatic nerve pain. This pain typically extends from the lower back and radiates towards your knees. The sciatic nerve is the largest nerve in your body, and it begins from the nerve roots in your spinal cord and extends to your lower limbs through your buttocks. This pain is usually caused by a pinched or irritated sciatic nerve. Despite the debilitating pain, this condition is also manifested by tingling and numbness in the legs. Medications specialized for sciatica pain provide only temporary effects, so experts recommend regular exercise and yoga stretches as the best way to treat it. The most common symptoms of sciatica are aggravated sitting, pain in the lower back or one side of the hip which goes down to the buttocks and legs, constant pain in the buttock, tingling in the legs, stabbing pain which aggravates moving and standing, weakness, numbness, or difficulty moving the foot or leg. I will recommend the following homemade remedy for sciatica which effectively soothes these symptoms. This is how to prepare it. Sciatica and back pain remedy. Ingredients: 200 ml milk, 4 cloves of garlic, honey to taste. Method of preparation. First, crush the garlic cloves and cook them on low heat. Gradually add the milk while cooking, and as soon as it boils, remove it from heat. You can add honey to sweeten it in the end if the garlic taste is too strong for you. Use. You should consume this remedy once daily and the effects will be felt really soon. Garlic has potent anti-inflammatory properties which will soothe the sciatica symptoms and prevent swelling of the sciatic nerve. To accelerate the healing, you should combine the use of this remedy with regular exercise and stretches. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.